listen to the radio.
I'm recording.
Yes, you take it.
Dare you?
I know, right, sure, you have to go first, okay?
I can't burp on cue.
No, nor can I, but we'll see.
It's gone.
Drink loads. I think I've got one coming now.
Yeah, I can't put them in the okay. I can't do it on cue though.
Oh,
that was
Jay.
weak.
Mine was right from the
Heart.
Have you got one, Molly?
Hang on. Nonsense, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
It
got
was
right.
bubbly.
Yeah, I know. We have to wait for him to brew a bit first.
Wait, hold on.
No, Mia! I'm laughing. There's no
Oh, mine went. You took it away from me. Oh, I finished my can of Coke.
Get another one.
I didn't know if it was sick.
Your teeth feel all scratchy.
Cheers. Oh, when you do that.
Oh yeah, listen.
Oh, I hate that noise. Can I stop recording now?
No. Because I still got some coke left.
Wait.
Sorry.
I was. I heard that. Ooh, booty, shake that butt, shake it.
Your mum talked too much. Oh, you missed my. I heard it.
Oh yeah, I heard it as well. No, that's disgusting. Ew. You
That's
spilled
dead.
it.
Wait.
It's on me, Coke, it doesn't matter. Get rid of this carpet anywho. Okay, stop it now. Just sort yourself out. Who's got another one coming in?
Not me.
Carl? Oh no.
What?
Yeah. Oh, that's pathetic.
Wait till Sophie gets here then.